Today we'll read chapter number 5, control statement in QBCs. Before that, we want to know that what is programs. So the program is a collection of instructions. What is the instruction? Instructions, each and every step given by the user to the computer system is known as a instructions, and a collection of instructions is a program, and a collection of programs is a software. In a software, when we make a program, there are use of a Q basis statement, control statement. Okay, as a known of a control means control something, control some rotational programs. Okay, so here a program is usually, what is program? It's very clear. Program is a collection of instructions. Okay, instructions given by user. A program is usually not limited to a linear sequence or instructions. Sometimes during its process, it may take decisions or repeat code. Okay. When we use a program to take decisions, like when 2 plus 2 you write 4, and when 2 plus 3 you write 5, or a repetitional program like we use in a tracks. When we listen the music, next track comes one by one. We listen one music, one song, then after 5-6 minutes next song will be selected automatically. This is a control statement. Clear? Means the programmer given to the command, give command to the computer system. When first track is stopped, the computer system starts second track immediately. Okay, and decision taken. And sometimes we can see if a weather condition is more than 35 degrees centigrade, the box will be filled with sky blue colors. And when a weather condition is 31 to 40 degree, then a box will be filled by yellow color. That's why we measure weather conditions. Okay, there is use of a control statement. Okay, the control structure is used to control the sequences of the program executions. It determines the order in which the statement is executed. The control statement Q basically classified in two conditions: conditional statement and loops. The control structure, when we make a control structure, then we use the sequence of the program execution. When we execute any program, the control statement play a major role. Clear? Conditional statements, if there is if and then. A conditional statement if and then. If the student, if then, when we use if then statement, it's a control. If student get a 75 marks, put in second division. If student get a 90% mark, put it first division. If student get 98% mark, put it excellent. Okay, and if student get a less than 50 marks, then you put a fail. If then. Clear? Another use of if children is less than 18 years, they are not applicable for board. If the then put not applicable. If the age less than 18 years, then put then not applicable. If the age is above 80 years, then put applicable for the vote. If then else, like that. If else statement, there is one more we can see here in page number 51, also mentioned here. If the 60% marks of, then first division 50%, second division 40%, then print third division, or else then you can fail of less than 40%. Here is even readout of 51 pages. Here is a program. These all programs run in a QBasis programs. Okay. Next, loop statement, looping with the rotational circle. Okay. Using the step values, using do loop and do while loop, All things are practical basis. We use a computer lab after lockdown, then we do practical very well. Okay, ending loop and nested loop. There is a different loops are available, and all programs will be mentioned. We read out and find the book work and question answers. Okay, this chapter is fully practical based, fifth and sixth chapter also. So you understand what is statement, control statement, loop. Again I repeat it. Here is do loop, do while loop. Do loop is generally referred to the when a number of integrants interactions are not known as beforehand. Do loop two types, do until, do while. These are things, all things are practical based. Okay. Do while loop is executed as long as the specified conditions is true. If conditions are if true, like that true false. Okay. Do loop class ending loop. When we use ending loop means write a number of 5 to 10. So when we use ending loop, start from 5 and up to 10. So answer is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Like this we use. Okay. Okay, find the book work of the chapter number 5th. Thank you so much.